Corn Flakes, the breakfast staple found in cupboards around the globe, began with a simple twist of fate in the Kellogg's kitchen. Created by accident and designed for digestion, they've grown far beyond their origins. These crispy, golden flakes make their way into your bowl every morning. So, how do they do it? The tale of Corn Flakes starts within the walls of a sanitarium in Battle Creek, Michigan. In a quest for wholesome, digestible food, Dr. John Harvey Kellogg and his brother, Will Keith Kellogg, stumbled upon something unexpected. One fateful night, they left some cooked wheat to sit. It went stale, but when they rolled it out, hoping to salvage it, each wheat berry turned into a flake. Intrigued, they experimented with corn, and Corn Flakes were born. This accidental invention in the late 19th century quickly moved to the breakfast tables of America. The Kellogg brothers didn't just stop at the initial recipe. Will saw the potential for a great business and pushed to add sugar to the flakes, making them more palatable to the masses. This decision sparked a rift between the brothers, but gave rise to the Kellogg Company, turning Corn Flakes into a household name. The evolution of Corn Flakes reflects a broader trend in breakfast cereals. From honey nut flavored to chocolate coated, the range is vast. Nutrition plays a big role too. Today, you can find Corn Flakes fortified with vitamins and minerals, making them a healthier choice for families. At the core of every cornflake is a simple blend of ingredients. It all starts with milled corn, the star of the show. This is what gives the flakes their distinct taste and crunch. Then there's a touch of sugar, just enough to add a hint of sweetness without overpowering the natural corn flavor. Malt flavoring comes next, adding depth to the taste profile. And let's not forget the vitamins and minerals, ensuring that your morning bowl is nutritious too. Making cornflakes might seem straightforward, but the magic lies in the mix. The proportions have to be just right. Too much sugar and the flakes are too sweet. Too little and they might taste bland. The corn needs to be finely milled, ensuring the flakes have that perfect texture. Not too coarse, not too fine. The journey from simple ingredients to breakfast table staple is a marvel of modern manufacturing. First up, the batter. It's where milled corn, sugar, malt, and those all-important vitamins and minerals come together. Enter the colossal mixers in factories, churning tirelessly to achieve that silky smooth consistency. Once mixed, it's on to the baking phase, where the batter transforms into a thick paste, ready for the next stage. Now, this paste is spread out on vast conveyor belts, heading towards precision-engineered rollers. These rollers flatten the paste into water-thin sheets. The sheets are then delicately cut into the iconic cornflake shape, each one an identical twin of the next. Once the flake shapes are cut, they need a quick trip through the oven. This is a toasting process that's been perfected over the years. The heat works its magic, turning each flake from pale to soft golden and crisp. The toasting brings out a subtle, nutty flavor from the corn. Once toasted to perfection, the flakes then take a dive into the cooling zone. Here, they're brought back to room temperature, locking in that crispness and ensuring they don't turn soggy when it's time to meet the milk. This rapid cooling is what keeps each flake in that perfect state of crunch until it's time to dive into your bowl. After the cooling phase, it's time for quality control. This is a meticulous check to ensure every single flake meets the mark, and the ones that don't never make it to the breakfast table. The final step is packaging, a crucial step to keep those flakes fresh and crunchy. Each flake is gently placed into its packaging, a protective shell against the outside world. This isn't just any container. It's designed to withstand bumps and jostles, ensuring the flakes arrive in your bowl as perfect as they left the factory. But the journey doesn't end there. These boxes are then dispatched far and wide, reaching shelves across the globe. The packaging promises quality, guaranteeing that inside lies a product made with care and precision, ready to start your day right. From their accidental creation to becoming a morning ritual, cornflakes have journeyed far beyond their humble beginnings. Each box is proof of the innovation, quality, and the simple pleasure of a crunchy start to the day. Curious about more kitchen staples turned culinary icons? Stick around as we pop over to explore the explosive world of popcorn in our next dive into everyday delights. To find out how popcorn is made, click here.